everybody, it's Danielle here from Remember Illustration, and I wanted to share a childhood pastime of mine. I was born and raised in New Mexico, and when I was little, we learned how to make Ojo de Dios, and I want to share that with you today and tell you what that means. Ojo de Dios, or God's eye, symbolize the ability to see and understand unseen things. They were created to help keep a watchful eye over people who made them. To create your own watchful eye, you will need a few supplies to get started. You will need 2 sticks of equal size to make your cross. Yarn or embroidery thread as many colors as you would like. And lastly, a pair of scissors. Once our supplies are gathered, we are going to start this project by creating what is called the center eye. The center eye was made when a child was born. Each year, a bit more yarn was added until the child turned 5, and then the ojo was complete. To start that, we need to make sure that our sticks are nice and secure together. So I tie a knot, and then I wrap it several times in both directions to make sure that it's nice and firm. The 4 points of the cross sticks represent earth, air, water, and fire. Ojos originated with the Aymara Indians of Bolivia and the Huichol Indians of Mexico. They're also common in pueblos in New Mexico. Once our center is secure, we will begin to make our eye by taking the sticks firmly between our forefinger and our thumb and taking the other hand and wrapping once with the yarn around each stick and then slowly rotating either clockwise or counterclockwise in a repetitive motion around the cross. To give your ojo a more elaborate look, you can alternate the colors of the yarn or thread. You can also alternate the direction in which you wrap the thread to give many levels to the layers that you put on the cross. To change colors within your ojo, all you need to do is snip off the end of the previous color and tie it to a new color. Make sure that you double knot the 2 strings together and snip off the excess with a pair of scissors to make sure that none of it is sticking out. Once you have snipped off the excess, you can then firmly take the ojo in your hand and begin to wrap again. Make sure that you wrap several times around the knot of the new color so that you can disguise it. When you feel that your ojo is complete, you will need to make sure that you secure a knot onto one of the corners and then leave enough string to be able to create a loop. I like to make a big enough loop that I could hang it onto the branch of a tree or on the front of my door or anywhere in my house. Now that you know how to do this, you can make as many as you want and give them to people that you want to keep a watchful eye over and to protect and to bless. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for joining me.